Creating animated videos is now easier with AI tools. You can generate stunning storytelling scenes from still images. In today's video, we will discuss each and every aspect of animation with free AI tools. We will start with scripts to the final video generation. We will also discuss the free and paid resources for image generation, voiceover, sound effects, and much more. We will also learn how to add lip movement according to the scenes.
This must be the flower. It's so beautiful and radiant.
By following this tutorial, I believe you will be able to generate any type of animation that you can imagine. You just have to dedicate time and put in some effort. You can create these animations for YouTube or even for clients. If you have any questions or need help, join my private Discord server from the link given below. If you are interested in a free AI course about animation, register yourself by following the given link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others. So without further delay, let's get started. Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and type this basic prompt with some idea about the story. Press the Enter button to begin the process. Within a few seconds, you will get the result. For better results, you can use the premium subscription. It's up to you. I will share a free alternative shortly. Okay, paste this comprehensive prompt. Be specific about the idea, style, and environment. Here I am going with the Ghibli Studio animation style. You can choose any other style such as Disney, Pixar, etc. You can pause the video or check the description for a complete prompt. Basically, we have generated the prompts from basic ideas based on our story scenes. Now we will ask it to generate the prompts for sound effects. These are important for animations. Here we have all the prompts for sound effects and music. Let's move to the free alternative of ChatGPT+. Bard AI from Google is a fantastic tool that performs the same job as ChatGPT. Let's test it by pasting the same prompts that we have used previously. Look at the final output. This looks amazing. Let's paste the second prompt. Here we have it. That looks even better and to the point. Let's ask for the sound effects and music. At the top, you have options to regenerate the prompt, so you no longer have to worry about content creation. Step 2. Now we will generate images from these prompts. Leonardo AI is the best free alternative to a Midjourney paid subscription. No doubt Midjourney is a powerful tool, with advanced features for consistent designs. But as I mentioned for free AI tools at the start, so I have chosen the Leonardo AI. Go to Leonardo AI Image Generation, copy the prompt, and paste it here. Now add some customization and style. Since Studio Ghibli's animation style is hand-drawn and emotional, I have added this text. Choose the number of images, as I have credits. So, I will go with 4 images per generation. Select the aspect ratio, 16:9, as we are creating a video for YouTube. Let's try with 3D animation style mode first. Click on the Generate button and wait for a moment. Here we have the images. Let's change the text, as images are not coherent with our story. These images look amazing and according to the story scenes. You can also upscale them for better resolution. Let's change the fine-tuned model to Dream Shaper, and let's see what we get. These images are also good to proceed with. Let's try some prompts for images with this model. These images are not matched with our story. So I will change the fine-tuned model to 3D animation style, and we'll create all the images one by one. Here are some of the images I have generated. You can watch my face swap video by following this link for a consistent face design, but I will go with these generations. Step 3. Here comes the most important part of this tutorial. That is animation generation from images. In free resources, Pika Labs has no match, especially for animation videos. You can use Runway ML for cinematic type videos. You can watch a complete tutorial by clicking here. Head over to the Pika Labs Discord server. Scroll down to the bottom. Choose any of the generated channels from this list. Simply type the / create. Press the Enter or Tab key. Input your prompt here. Let's test it by adding Ghibli Studio style and aspect ratio. Click here and upload the image. Press Enter and wait for the video, as it is completely free to use, so it would take some time for video generation. Here we have our video. You can also access your creation in one place by clicking here, and go to Mentions. Here you can access all the creations. Later in this video, I will share a method for the private server. Let's generate another video by following the same process. Edit your prompt, and generate the video. Look at this amazing video of an owl pointing with his feathers. Here you can see some of the videos I have generated by following the prompts we discussed at the start. Simply click on this download button to save it to your computer. Let's discuss some of the recent features launched by Pika Labs. Now, you can control the camera movement by typing these commands. You can zoom in, zoom out, pan up, down, left, and right. Additionally, there are camera rotations. Even you can add motion and set the frame rate. We will test all these features shortly. Now, you have some of the control buttons, such as delete, recreate, and prompt editing. We can directly generate the animation from the image without giving the text by following this animate command. You can create smoother videos by putting the frame rate parameters. Let's test these features one by one. Go back to any of the servers and type this, / animate. Upload your image. Hit the Enter button and wait for some time. Here we have the final output. Basically, it has animated the background. Let's try the zoom options. Upload your image. And type this camera zoom in with a single dash. Here you can see the final output. Similarly, you can try the camera pan options by following the same process. Here we have the result. Let's look at the other camera pan options such as pan left and pan right. And also the camera rotations. So you have plenty of options to make your clips more engaging. Here you can see all of the generations for our story with this tool. You can click on this jump button to find your animation on the server. By clicking on this button, you create more variations of this animation. Here you can access your generated video. Let's create a private server. Right-click on this PikaBot and choose Message. Here we have our private server. Let's test it by typing the prompt. Upload your image. Press the Enter button and wait for some time. Here we have our video. Click on this button to create another variation. Now you can edit your prompt without adding the image again by clicking here. Thus, video generation is now much easier than before. Once satisfied, click on the download button to save it. To increase the video length, go to this website. Add your video by clicking here. Here we have the last frame of our clip. Just download it. Go back to Pika Labs server. Copy the prompt. And upload the image. Wait for some time. And here you have another 3 seconds clip. So you can repeat this process and combine all the clips to generate a long clip. As for now, Pika Labs generates some smooth animations. Sometimes it may generate issues. To fix that, you can use this software called Flow Frames to smoothen your clip. Just download it from the link given in the description. And follow these settings to improve your clips. Step 4. Voiceover and sound effects are equally important for the animations. You can ask ChatGPT to generate the dialogues for each scene by typing this prompt. For voiceover, you can use 11 Labs and Play HT. Both offer some free credits to use. Play HT offers 2,500 words in a free plan with lots of voices to test. 11 Labs is one of my favorite voiceover tools that I personally used. It offers you 10,000 words for free each month. Go to Voice Library. And here you have a bunch of voices based on different categories. You can choose any of the voices according to your story or project. Let's check some of the voices.
The heart has eyes which the brain knows nothing of.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
These voices are simply amazing. You can apply the filters for specific voices. Let's say, we need the young female voice. Here we have the results.
Everyone thinks of changing the world, but no one thinks of changing himself.
Just click on this plus button and save it to your library. Go back to the Speech Synthesis tab. Select the saved voice. You can adjust the voice settings. Paste your text here. Click on the Generate button. Here you go.
I'll find a cure. The forest will have an answer.
You can also adjust the voice setting to generate the voices according to your story.
I'll find a cure. The forest will have an answer.
So you can adjust the voice setting and add expressions in the text to produce stunning voices.
Thank you, kind rabbit.
Epidemic Sound is an excellent website for amazing sound effects. It offers you 30 days trial to test. It has a vast library of sound effects for each category. Let's jump to the free resources. CapCut also has a good collection of copyright-free sound effects and music. I have found this amazing free website for sound effects. Just type your keyword in the search bar, and here you have plenty of sound effects to use. You can also sort them by license type for commercial purposes. This website is amazing to use for your next project. Pixabay is another amazing website for sound effects and music. More than 80,000 royalty-free sound effects for your projects. Step 5. Now we have the video of the scene and voiceover. Let's add lip movement to our character. There are several ways to do that. We can use a paid tool called Deep Shot. Similarly, DID is also a tool but paid, and both of the tools do not work for cartoon characters. Lalamoo is a completely free and easy-to-use tool to add lip movement with voiceover. Click on this Start button. Upload your video. Click on this Add New Audio button. Scroll down and upload your voiceover. Click on this Generate button and wait for some time. Here we have the final video with lip movement.
This must be the flower. It's so beautiful and radiant.
You can also use its text-to-speech features by pasting the text. Choose the voice artist and emotion. Click on the Generate button. And here we have the final output. Right-click on it and save it to your computer. Step 6. For editing, you can use any software that best suits you. I will use CapCut and Camtasia for editing. I have not included the video editing part due to the length of this video. If you are interested, please let me know in the comments. Based on your response, I will upload a separate video or teach you in a course. That wraps up this video. Hope you will get benefits from this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more exciting stuff. Here's the final video.